Hello and welcome back to the accounting module. In our previous lesson, we reviewed the partner's reporting functionality within Odoo. In this lesson, we will explore management reports in Odoo Accounting. Let's navigate to Accounting, Reporting from the main dashboard. We can see there are a number of management reports in Odoo Accounting. Invoice Analysis, Analytic Report, Unrealized Currency Gains/Losses, Deferred Expense and Revenue Reports, Depreciation Schedule, Disallowed Expenses, Loans Analysis, and Budget Report. As we have covered some of these in previous lessons, we will focus on the ones left to review. Let's open the Invoice Analysis Report. The Invoice Analysis Report in Odoo Accounting provides a concise summary of your company's invoicing activities, helping to monitor cash flow and analyze trends in sales and purchasing behavior. We see the default view is a line chart displaying revenue totals per month. This graph can be customized to provide accurate reporting. Let's say we want to view revenue per month by customer. Let's select the bar chart functionality by selecting the respective icon like so. As we wish to view the total invoiced revenue, let's click on the Measures button and select Untaxed Amount. We see there are a range of other measures that can be reported on, including average price, product quantity, and total in currency. Let's confirm the filters are set to Invoiced and Customer. Let's group by Date, Month, and Partner. We see the untaxed revenue by month and by partner. For example, we see our customer, Deco Addict, has been invoiced £19,250 in the month of February 2025. This format allows for a quick comparison of untaxed revenue per customer over each month. This report can also be displayed in a pivot table by selecting the pivot icon in the far right, which provides a lot of reporting flexibility. Clicking the plus icon next to Customer Deco Addict will allow us to further group revenue by measures such as sales team and product category. The icon to the left allows you to flip the axis. Clicking the icon on the right will download this report in an Excel file. Let's select the Reporting Unrealized Currency Gains/Losses menu. The Unrealized Currency Gains or Losses report is used to evaluate and adjust the impact of foreign currency fluctuations in exchange rates on open invoices and bills. This report helps assess currency fluctuation and is useful for businesses involved in international trade or operating in multiple currencies. We see that the system has identified entries where the currency conversion at the point of issuance is different to the current currency conversion rate. The adjustment column shows the variances we might expect due to this variance in exchange rates. Therefore, it is important to do an adjustment entry so that the balance sheet reflects the correct values. To do so, let's click on the Adjustment Entry button. Select the journal as Miscellaneous Operations and choose the expense account as 770000 Exchange Gains/Losses. Let's set the income account field as 770000 Exchange Gains/Losses, set the date being today's date and the reversal date being tomorrow. We see the system has automatically added the related entry to take into account today's exchange rate. Let's use the breadcrumbs to return to the Unrealized Currency Gains/Losses report, where we see the totals in the operation rate and current columns are balanced and no further adjustments are required. The next report we will review under the Reporting Management heading is the Depreciation Schedule. The Depreciation Schedule is a financial report that provides information about the depreciation of assets in different departments or sections of a company. This reporting functionality helps management track and monitor asset depreciation, allocate budgets effectively, evaluate performance, and make informed decisions regarding asset management. Here we see a list view of all the assets grouped by code and their depreciation figure applied within the given date range. When reviewing an individual asset, the acquisition date shows the date when the asset was acquired. The first depreciation date shows when the first depreciation was triggered. The method field indicates the method of depreciation. Duration shows the duration of depreciation. We then see the assets and depreciation columns, which show the value at the beginning of the month, movements during the month, and the value as at the end of the month. The final report we will review is the budget report, which provides global insight into all the budget templates set on this system. This report allows us to quickly see the status of the budget that we set up on this system. For example, we see the top-level overview of all the budgets here. We can see the budget amount and committed achieved amounts, which we created in a previous lesson. We can view additional details on each budget by simply clicking on the plus buttons. That's it. We successfully completed the Odoo accounting course. We have covered various topics, including configurations, accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank reconciliation, general accounting techniques, features, and reporting. Now, equipped with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions and efficiently manage your accounting processes using Odoo. Remember to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios to further enhance your accounting skills. Why don't you test your knowledge by heading to the accounting module quiz? Thanks for watching, and until next time.